Hello lovers of all things that move, this is Francis. Welcome back to my channel. Today let's take an adventure into the Colorado River. Now if you want to find out how I got down here, down the base of the Colorado River in the west rim of the Grand Canyon, please stay to the end of my video and I'll let you know. But in this time, let's enjoy and explore this beautiful and amazing place that we are on. So quiet.
Correct.
So today we're taking a beautiful boat tour ride for a few minutes up and down the Colorado River, provided by the Hulapai Nation, which is pretty amazing. We have to pay homage to be allowed to enter their nation. And the exciting part of this trip, you can also touch the water, which I really love to feel the energy of the Colorado River while you are in the boat. Can do a self of all of us. See, can do a quick. Oh yeah, they do click that. They do that.
I looked back and I was like, oh shit. This is what we were talking about.
Oh, there was something running. I think it's little mice.
Oh, our boat is waiting.
Oh yes,
See?
they're waiting.
It's all the way down there, Jimmy.
Oh, fantastic! Look, there's people fishing. Well, they changed. This is new.
I was gonna say,
Yeah, they definitely changed this. It was wood.
it's so fun still. Well,
Yeah, no, I like that. See, get you going down. And we are ready, so let's go. I'm excited. Let's have some fun and enjoy. Love of all things that move. Dude, we love this one. The Colorado River flows nearly 1,500 miles from the Rocky Mountains to the sea in Mexico. Along its way, the river traverses some of the driest and hottest areas of the country, providing drinking water to 40 million people, including some of the nation's largest cities like LA, Phoenix, Las Vegas, and Denver, as well as another 30 recognized nations. I think the Grand Canyon is the iconic heart of the Colorado River. We are in the 277-mile stretch of the river in the northern Arizona, and it is unmatched in nature. You can't match this in nature. And it is a heritage site and one of the 7 natural wonders of the world, and one of the most famous landscapes on Earth.
you mind if I sit down? Indiana was a long shot, and I could use another round. I don't mean to be too bold. No, it's not at all like me. But when you're making your way home, would you like some company? 'Cause I'm tired of sleeping on my own. And I've such a long way to go. And you remind me of somebody I know. And I stay with you a while. Whiskey islands weigh me down some. When a smoke-filled dog comes too close, it's these moments where my mind runs from the emptiness of open roads. And I'm tired of sleeping on my own. I've such a long way to go. You remind me of somebody I know. And I stay with you a while. Come tomorrow, I'll be gone again. So don't ask me for much. I'm no good at keeping promises. I promise this is enough. And I'm tired of sleeping on my own. Oh, it's such a goddamn lonely road. And I'm sleeping alone. But you remind me of somebody I know. And I stay with you a while. 'Cause you remind me of someplace I call home. And I stay with you a while.
The vistas are truly amazing. Every corner you take is a breathtaking. There were times that I thought I felt like I'm gonna actually hit the walls.
You guys fly out today, look at quartermasters right on the ledges. You'll see some rock or some trails from the desert bighorn sheep. We got Gila monsters, we got mule deer, mountain lion, bobcat here, ringtail cat, rock squirrels, reptiles of rattlesnake, Gila monsters.
Very sweet.
Last Takwala last month, which is like the snow. It's below zero here, but it's cold. Nice day today, though.
Oh yeah. Beautiful.
It's all from the roses.
unfortunate that river tour is about to end, but I didn't want to end the video here. And how did I get down here? You can check out my other video that I might post my link down below. And I took a helicopter ride. And when you book one of those tours, you'll be able to include sometime this boat tour that I truly recommend. So you get a full experience of the top, the bottom, the river, and then I figured I'll take you, the lovers of all things that move, up into the top view so we can see how it looks from up here.
This view is completely different than the one we saw before. Now check out that.
I'll be leaving soon. I'll be headed north, though I don't know where, I don't know what for. I'll be leaving soon. I'll be moving fast, and I'll be running hard.
Aqui estamos
Though I can't
no
say
Grande
how
Canyon do
long,
Oeste.
I
É a
can't
mais linda
say
do mundo.
how far.
Interessante.
I'll be leaving soon, 'cause that road pulls on me far away from Tennessee to big sky and evergreen trees. I'll be flying free.
I hope you enjoyed to come along with me in this adventure in the river. Now we're back on the road, going back to Las Vegas. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate. Now the question is, should we love the Grand Canyon and the West Rim? If you ever want to do this ride, the boat ride, you can make a plan and take a helicopter ride tour, and that most likely will include a boat tour if you want to pay a little more. So sometimes the prices are good, sometimes the prices are not the best. So it's always good to check out to see the best times of the year. And keep loving what moves you. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.
I'll be on my own. Suppose that's nothing